Hi everyone, it's May 1st, 2025, mid-spring, here in my California Zone 9B garden, and I'm surrounded by all of these beauties, and I'm very much looking forward to sharing with you what I'm growing in the main growing season in my garden this year. I don't know where to begin because there are just so many in front of me, but let's go one by one. I want to first start off with this very interesting petunia. This one is a petunia called Gomphrenas grape, and it has variegated leaves. It's a glowing neon grape purple. This is Gomphrenas grape petunia. This is lime-time Coleuses. This one gets huge. I think the tag says over 3.5 feet tall. So it looks small right now, but it will get huge. As well, I have this is Albrido. This is quite a vigorous Coleuses, also growing over 3.5 feet tall. And it surely did last year for me. When grown in full sun, the foliage becomes this very vibrant reptilian, chameleonic, is that even a term? Look at the shades. The shades are just so vibrant, and as you can see, starting to push out those vibrant shades on the leaves. Very beautiful. And chocolate drop Coleuses. This is a vigorous trailing Coleuses that I've grown before, and it's spilled out about 2 feet over the edge of the pot. And both of these, along with the lime-time Coleuses, are from the Color Blaze series, and so they do very well in both sun and shade. And flanking these Coleuses, this is Sunstar Lavender Pentas, which is also known as an Egyptian starflower. This one grows to about 2 feet tall and wide. So Pentas is a heat-loving, sun-loving annual. Recently, I also came across the Rockin' Deep Purple Salvia. I got 2 of these. This one grows to about 3 feet tall and about 2 to 3 feet wide. This is Cashmere Pink. This is a Superbena verbena. I saw pictures and videos, and these were growing over 2 feet wide. This is Dusty Miller New Look, and this is a wonderful filler plant in the garden. I have a hard time keeping these small cells well watered and moist. They dry out very quickly, and so that means that I do need to plant these real soon. You know how much I love Nicotianas. I got 3 of the Nicotiana Perfume Deep Purple. I couldn't pass up on these seedlings of the zinnia. I think this one is Queen Lime Orange. And there were 3 seedlings in one of these pots, and I very carefully separated them, and I planted the 2 other seedlings in their own pots. Right here, these I really need to find a place for them in the garden real soon. This is Hollyhock Halo Apricot, which I got, I think it was 2 months ago. And this one, along with the Prairie Coneflower, Ratabida pinnata, which is a tall growing prairie coneflower, which actually grows taller than 4 feet, by the way. These have deep tap roots, and so they really need to be planted real soon. Also, over the winter, I bought this black-eyed Susan called Gold Blitz. This one grows to over 2 feet tall. The Profusion series is an amazing bedding zinnia. This is one of those classics in the garden. They're tried and true, great heat warriors. They grow to about 2 feet wide and about 1 foot tall. And they bloom all season. Just keep them well watered and well fertilized, and they'll keep giving all season long. I'm growing for the first time in my garden the Surefire Rose Begonia. These grow about 2 feet tall and wide. My Truffula Pink Gomphrenas from last season. Some of them have survived the winter and are growing back for the second year, but I couldn't resist getting these 3 fresh truffle pink Gomphrenas for the garden. Petunia, popcorn yellow. This one is a nice mounding petunia that has beautiful lemony, creamy lemony flowers. This is Coleuses Main Street, 5th Avenue. The pink becomes even more vibrant when grown in full sun. From time to time I also purchase seed petunias like this one called Prism Sunshine as a filler. They had a clearance and I had to pick up this big red green leaf petunia. They're a little smaller than the Surefire, about 18 inches tall and wide. These are Sweet Williams from the Sweet Mix. I've had these I think I've had these now for 2 months already. They really need to be planted real soon. Sweet Mix, Sweet Williams. Bouquet Rose Magic, Sweet Williams. These also need to get planted up very soon. Supercal Petunias. And Supercal Petunias are a cross between Petunias and Calibrachoas. I got these on sale. I couldn't pass up on them. And some of these I did prune back and fertilize them as well. And they're growing back quite well. Each of these pots contain 1 Super Petunia Tiara Pink, 1 Super Petunia Vista Snowdrift, and 2 Superbena Pink Cashmere Verbenas. I think that it's wonderful they put in 2 Superbenas, but the Superbena Pink Cashmere is quite vigorous, and I think that it can stand on its own, even if there was only 1 in there. This is a Margaret Daisy, or is it Argyanthemum? Argyanthemum? Is how you say it? Okay, anyway, so these are so beautiful. And what they do is they bury their dead, so the spent flowers get tossed under the new blooms. As you can see, all the spent blooms kind of fall down beneath the new blooms. And they're very charming. So this one grows to about 18 inches tall and 2 feet wide. So I got 1 each for these Beau Jardinier pots. I'm going to be planting up this Aromagica heliotrope. I got 2 of these. This is Angelonia Wedgwood Pink. There's some beautiful fresh blooms. And also my Texas Primrose Ladybird Sunglow is also in beautiful bloom. These do very well in a hot and dry spot. Ladybird Sunglow, Calilophus Hybrid, Diamond Snow Euphorbias. So in the Diamond series, the most compact and most floriferous is the Diamond Snow. There's also Diamond Frost, which is slightly larger. And then there's the Diamond Mountain, which is like 3 feet tall and wide. This one is Pepper Candy Cane Red. And look at the foliage. This is great for a container. This is Little Bing Tomato. Alright, down here I have some bedding begonias. This one is mislabeled. It's actually Sprint Rose. And these grow very well. Yeah, they grow about a foot wide. Nice filler plant for the garden. And also this Sweet Impatience is going to go somewhere as well. And Celosia. This is quite a large growing marigold. This one is called Bali. over 2.5 feet tall. This one can grow to. This is dipped in wine Coleus. I've grown this Coleus several times already in my garden. It grows over 3 feet tall for sure. Ocean pearl, agrostema, or corn cockle. And they came in very small 6-pack cell trays like this, Cosmos double Dutch rose. And when they're in these small containers, they need watering every single day. And so I had to pot these corn cockles. And look at this here, well rooted already. And I'm going to be planting these corn cockles very soon as well. I have here the Cleomes called Senorita, Rosalita, 2 of these. This one is a huge growing Cleome, growing to 4 feet tall, and I think 2 to 3 feet wide as well. I still haven't planted up my skyrocket pennisetum. This is a wonderful grass that gets to over 2.5 feet tall and wide. And I also picked up, this is Rockin' Fuchsia Salvia. And this is a warrior. This is a wonderful, tried and true, amazing salvia that gets to 3 feet tall and wide. And I love the dark foliage on the salvia. A wonderful performer.